In this example, we're going to go over how to use Excel's if function. So when we use the if function, we basically want to determine a result of possible scenarios that can occur. So let's go straight to this example. Let's say we have an agent named Robert, and we basically want to find out how much we're going to pay him in commission. If we look at the commission rate table here, we're basically saying if agents sell more than $100,000, they will receive 7.5% of commission. If they sell less than $100, then we're only going to pay them 5%. So let's go ahead and enter a formula using the if statement to determine how much Robert will receive in commission. So we'll start off the formula with equals, and we're going to use the if function, and I'm going to press tab to open up the parentheses. And so now all I'm going to say is if Robert sells more than $100,000, then we're going to use comma. We're basically saying that the next statement is true. Then we're going to pay Robert 7.5% times his sales. And we're basically saying we're going to pay 7.5% of his sales. Now, if the statement is false, if he doesn't sell more than $100,000, then we're only going to pay him 5% times his sell. And so that pretty much completes our if statement. So we're just going to go ahead and recap. We're basically saying if Robert sells more than $100,000, then we'll pay him 7.5% of his sales. If he doesn't, we're only going to pay him 5% of his sales. And so my formula is complete now, and what I can do is just click hit enter, and we should get the amount of commission that Robert will receive for his sales. Now the good thing about this function and formula, once it's in place, you can pretty much figure out, if there's any changes if Robert were to sell more than $100,000. So let's say in the following year, instead of Robert selling $97,000, let's say he sold $130,000. Then in that scenario, Robert will receive $9,750. And that's how you use the if function. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.